Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Conquest in Battlefield 6 if you don't own the game, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can play Conquest on Battlefield 6 if you don't own the game. First of all, I'm going to show you that I don't own the game. Here you can see, if I try to go into any server, it will tell me to purchase the game. I'll show you here as well. If I go into Battlefield 6 Steam page, as you can see, it says buy Battlefield 6. I don't actually have the game. So I'll show you now how you can play it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here. You're going to click onto community, go into browse servers, go into filters. You need to search here Conquest, click apply filters. And here you need to find servers which are in Conquest mode but have custom written on them. So for example, like this one, it says golf course but custom. So you're going to click on it and then you're going to spam a space or click on the server. And you'll keep getting this error. Just keep spamming the button and eventually it will connect you to the game. Okay, I just got connected to that server. And you can see Conquest is loading on our game. And here you can see we are in Conquest mode. We don't even own the game and we're playing Conquest. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.